Hi! Welcome back to my channel! Kumusta po kayong lahat? Happy weekend everyone! So today I'm excited to share with you a surprise that I received just now from my sister, Rose Steele, all the way from San Diego. Thank you so much for this! I got a package. So, buksan na natin. Let's open it. Wow, exciting! Thank you! Ang dami! So that's one. Isang supot. Thank you for this. Ang dami. Ang dami naman. Thank you. And this is, oh, I don't have this. Thank you. Lovely. And, hold on. Meron pa pala dito. May babies pa dito. Naku, dadami na naman ang aking collection. Oh my goodness. Inyong. Those are inyong. I don't know the name of this. Hanapin natin yung pangalan niyan. Ang dami ko na namang pagkakaabalahan guys na itanim. Oh, I don't know. Thank you. Thank you again. I don't have this. This is Anium, and this is similar to the one that I have here, but it's in different color. Thank you. Wow. Exciting. Yay. Thank you so much, Auntie Rose, for this. And I'll show you guys when I repot this. I'm gonna show you my new babies. Thank you guys. I'm so happy right now. Have a good weekend. Bye everyone. Keep safe.